Hello, grade 4, how are you? Today in our first grammar tutorial, we will be talking about the simple, complete, and compound subjects and predicates. But for this tutorial, we will be only covering the simple and complete subjects and predicates. Later on in another tutorial, we'll be discussing the compound subjects and predicate. What is the simple subject? It includes the single word, which could be a noun or a pronoun that tells who or what the sentence is about. So who is the sentence about tells us the simple subject. For example, we rode an exciting new ride at the fair. Who rode a new exciting ride? Yes, we. So we is the simple subject. Simple means only one. 10 book pages are missing. What are missing? The pages. Okay, so pages here is the subject. It's not 10, it's not book, it's the pages that are missing. So here in the first sentence, we is the simple subject and pages is also the simple subject. More examples. My little sister's teacher assigns a lot of homework. So who assigns a lot of homework? Yes, it's the teacher. The early morning daw sparkled on the grass. What sparkled? Yes, it's the daw. So daw is also the subject. I left my lunch in Dad's truck this morning. Who left it or who left the lunch in Dad's truck? I. So I is the subject. I did the action. I did the verb. And here also what sparkled? What is the verb talking about? It's about the. Same thing for the teacher. An NFL quarterback will visit our school next week. Who will visit? Yes, quarterback. So we always ask with either who or what in order to find the simple subject. Moving on to the simple predicate, we guys have to know that the predicate is the verb of the sentence. It could be either an action word or a helping or a linking verb. So as I just said here, it's always the verb or verbs that link up with the subject. For example, a piece of chocolate candy would taste great. What's wrong with this chocolate candy? The simple predicate is would taste. The simple predicate is would taste, as I just said before. Predicate again is the verb of the sentence. Another example here is the excited students spilled popcorn on the floor. What is the verb of this sentence? What did the students do? What is the action in the sentence? It's spilled, so spilled is the simple predicate. Now, moving on to complete subjects and complete predicates. What is the complete subject? Complete subjects includes all of the words that tell who or what the sentence is about. So any word that comes with the simple subject is said to be the complete subject. So let's have a look at some examples. The complete subject starts at the beginning of the sentence and ends just before the verb or the predicate. So you can easily find the subject by finding the verb first. Everything in front of the verb is the complete subject. So if we found the verb, anything that comes before the verb is the complete subject. For example, my little sister's teacher assigns a lot of homework. Assigns is the verb. Everything before the verb is the complete subject. And we learned before a couple of seconds or minutes ago that teacher is the simple subject, the one subject in the sentence. But the complete subject is all the words that come with the subject or come before the verb. More examples. The early morning daw sparkled on the grass. Sparkled is the verb, and everything that comes before the verb is the complete subject. An NFL quarterback will visit our school next week. We know that will visit is the verb, and everything comes before the verb is the complete subject. Now, what is the complete predicate? Exactly like the complete subject, all the words that come with the verb, but instead it's the words that come after the verb. So it's the verb and the words after it. So for example, the excited students spilled popcorn on the floor. If spilled is the verb, and I know that this is my complete subject, so spilled popcorn on the floor is the complete predicate. So now I know that the complete predicate should include the verb and all the words that come after it. It's exactly like this underlined words here. So spilled is the verb, and all the other words that come till the end of the sentence make up the complete predicate. And that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and it was really helpful.